Hello everyone. In the daily use of spray guns, many people don't know how to properly disassemble and assemble them. Today, we will explain the disassembly and assembly steps of the spray gun in detail. First, we need to prepare the required tools, a 12mm socket. Of course, you can also use the spanner included in our service kit, and a torque wrench. First, unscrew the fluid adjusting knob and take out the spring. Press down the handle to remove the needle from the rear. Unscrew the air cap, then use a 12mm wrench or the wrench provided with the spray gun to unscrew the nozzle and take off the turbulence ring. With these steps, the disassembly of your spray gun is completed. First, we need to prepare the required tools, a 12mm socket, you can also use the matching wrench we provide, of course, and a torque wrench. Now start assembling the spray gun. We follow the reverse order of disassembly. First, put the turbulence ring back into the gun body, then install the air cap. Screw on the nozzle with a force of about 12 to 15 Nm, followed by the needle, fluid ADJ knob, the control valve spring. With these steps, the assembly of your spray gun is completed.